Hello everyone, welcome to Sam Science View channel. In today's video, we are going to listen to a science fact. How does a suction cup work? Before getting into the video, please watch this entire video, and if you have any science related doubts, you can get it clarified through this channel. Now let's get into the video. A suction cup is what you use when you want to hang a poster on a glass window or pick up a sheet of glass. They are perfect for attaching to any flat, non porous surface and will adhere with a lot of force if applied correctly. They are made from soft rubber and stick to a surface using the force of air pressure. The suction cup must meet three criteria to work properly. It needs to have a cup shape with concave center and flat spreading sides. It must adhere to a flat non porous surface and be made of airtight material. Now let's see how this suction cup works. A suction cup is made from soft rubber, as I said earlier, that is impenetrable by air. The suction cup has a concave area under the nose or head of the cup, which naturally traps air inside of it. Pressing the suction cup against a flat surface like a window, and the air trapped inside of the concave area is pressed outwards away from the circular flap of the cup. Once the air is forced out, a vacuum is created. Since atmospheric pressure will always try to equalize itself, air naturally fills in any missing gaps. This pressure pushes against the air outside of the suction cup. Since it cannot penetrate the suction cup surface, it forces it instead against the flat piece of glass. If air can work under the edges of the suction cup or through the surface, the seal will break and the suction cup will fall off. The working face of the suction cup is made of elastic, flexible material and has a curved surface. When the center of the suction cup is pressed against a flat, non porous surface, the volume of the space between the suction cup and the flat surface is reduced, which causes the air or water between the cup and the surface to be expelled past the rim of the circular cup. The cavity which develops between the cup and the flat surface has little to no air or water in it because most of the fluid has already been forced out of the inside of the cup, causing a lack of pressure. The pressure difference between the atmosphere on the outside of the cup and the low pressure cavity on the inside of the cup keeps the cup adhered to the surface. When the user ceases to apply physical pressure to the outside of the cup, the elastic substance of which the cup is made tends to resume its original curved shape. The length of time for which the suction effect can be maintained depends mainly on how long it takes for air or water to leak back into the cavity between the cup and the surface, equalizing the pressure with the surrounding atmosphere. This depends on the porosity and flatness of the surface and the properties of the cup's rim. A small amount of mineral oil or vegetable oil is often employed to help maintain the seal. Suction cups have a number of commercial and industrial applications. We will see one by one. It is used to attach an object to a flat, non porous surface such as a refrigerator door or a tile on a wall. This is also used for mooring ships. The suction cups are used to move an object such as a pan of glass or a raised floor tile by attaching the suction cup to a flat non porous part of the object and then sliding or lifting the object. In some toys, such as Nerf darts, it is being used, and also as toilet plungers. It is also used to climb up almost or completely vertically up or down a flat, non porous surface, such as the sides of some buildings. This is part of buildering, which is also known as urban climbing. It is also used to hold an object still while it is worked on, such as holding a piece of glass while performing edge grinding. So, if you see a suction cup next time, see how it works because of the difference in air pressure. It is being sticking to the flat non-porous surface. So that's it for today's video. I hope so you got some scientific facts related to how a suction cup work. If you have any science related doubts, you can clarify it and get it rectified through the Science Fact Treasury series. We'll meet in the next video with the next science facts. Until then, it's goodbye from Sam. Take care.